Hello guys, I'm Neha and you're watching TargetStudy YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to tell you about one such profession which has become the need of the day thanks to changing lifestyles, ever-increasing expectations and desire to excel in all walk of life that has brought severe stress leading to psychological problems, thereby making the role of a psychologist much more important in today's context. India is set to fight a battle against these diseases for which it will require a large and efficient team of dedicated psychologists. So, there is a good scope for today's younger generation to make their career in this field to make not only good monetary fortunes but also a lot of respect in the society. Yes, dear friends, today I am going to explore various aspects of psychologist, like who a psychologist is, process to become a psychologist, eligibility conditions required to become one, various institutes providing psychology courses, and much more. A psychologist is a medical professional expert in curing mental problems of human being without any use of medication. He is expert to know the mental condition of his patients and find remedies by counseling. The treatment of a psychologist is based on changing the behavior patterns of patients without medication. Psychologists study cognitive, emotional, and social processes and behavior by observing, interpreting, and recording how individuals relate to one another and to their environments. Some psychologists do work independently, conducting research, consulting with clients, or working with patients. Now, when you have a little insight of a psychologist, the first question that can come to your mind is the required eligibility conditions to become a psychologist. So guys, towards achieving your goal to become a psychologist, the first step is to complete your 12th class, preferably with psychology as one of the main subjects at this level. Once you have cleared your 12th class, you can join one of the numerous psychology courses offered by a majority of esteemed institutions. You can choose from various courses like BA Psychology, BSc Psychology, BA in Applied Psychology. Once you have completed your UG course with psychology as the major, you should go for master's degrees such as MSc Psychology, MA Psychology, MSc Clinical Psychology, etc. Here I would like to tell you that even if you have not studied the subject at the bachelor's level, can also enroll in master's degree by qualifying the entrance examination conducted by some institutes. Whereas, students who have graduated in psychology can directly get admitted based on marks secured at bachelor's level. As it is a higher level degree, it is necessary to choose a specialization in master's program. You can consider clinical psychology, organizational psychology, health psychology, counseling psychology, social psychology, consumer psychology, animal psychology, and media psychology. Besides going for forensic or criminal psychology, educational psychology, sports psychology, or industrial psychology, etc., a post-graduation degree in this field is a very crucial step to build your career in psychology. But to be an expert of the field, you require to earn a doctorate degree like PhD in psychology. A PhD in psychology is a doctoral level program that provides intensive research training for people interested in pursuing a career as an academician or as a clinical psychologist. The course covers a wide range of topics in psychology, including cognition, perception, neuroscience, and behavior. After completing your degree, you need to get your license from Rehabilitation Council of India and work as a certified psychologist. Now let me tell you about some of the reputed government and private institutes that provide psychology courses. Although there are hundreds of government and private institutes providing UG psychology courses, some of those are Kirorimal College, New Delhi, Queen's Mary College, Chennai, Lady Shri Ram College for Women, New Delhi, St. Xavier's College, Mumbai, Postgraduate Government College for Girls, Chandigarh, Ferguson College, Pune, and Krishan Chand Chela Ram College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Mumbai. And PG in psychology courses can be pursued from University of Delhi, Delhi, Amity University, Noida, Jamia Millia Islamia, Maharaja Sayaji Rao University, and Lovely Professional University, etc. For getting a complete list of institutes providing UG and PG psychology courses in various states, you can visit our website, that is www.targetstudy.com. Now you must be wondering about the expenses in the form of course fees towards becoming a psychologist. The fee structure of UG psychology course varies from 5 to 6,000 rupees per year in a government college to rupees 50 to 60,000 in reputed private institutes like Lady Shri Ram College, etc. As far as the fee structure of PG courses in psychology is concerned, it is somewhere between rupees 10 to 12,000 in government college and 35 to 45,000 in reputed private colleges. Once you have completed your required qualification in psychology and acquired the necessary certification, you can work as a clinical psychologist, counseling psychologist, education mental health practitioner, educational psychologist, forensic psychologist, further education teacher, health psychologist, occupational psychologist, and sport and exercise psychologist, etc. in various clinics, healthcare centers, corporate and government hospitals, NGOs, and various social and sports clubs, besides opening your own psychology clinics and mental health care centers. Now let me tell you how much salary or pay packages you can expect after becoming a psychologist. So guys, let me make this clear to you that the salary and pay packages of a psychologist depend upon various factors like your knowledge and qualification, your experience in the field, an organization you are working with, and above all, your expertise. However, on an average, a fresher psychologist can expect to get something between rupees 30,000 to rupees 35,000 per month. But I can assure you that once you got the necessary experience and made your reputation in the medical fraternity, you can definitely earn this much in few cases you handle successfully. I hope I am able to answer most of your questions satisfactorily. In the end, I would like to clear one last confusion that most of the students have, that is, what is the difference between a psychologist and a psychiatrist? So guys, psychiatrists make a diagnosis of illness, deal with the treatment, prescribe medicines, and provide a range of therapies for complex and serious mental illness. In short, we can say that psychiatrists treat mental issues through medications, whereas psychologists focus on providing psychotherapy, and they treat them with therapies like by talking to them and hearing them out. That's all from today's video. We will be back with more such informative videos. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with TargetStudy YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.